Hello everyone, my name is Enrique Guzman and I am an RMM admin here at ProVal Tech. Today should be a quick how-to video and I would like to show you how to switch an endpoint from a server to a workstation or vice versa. This comes in handy whenever you are having some workstations that act like servers and you have specific groups within your RMM that are targeting servers and you just don't want to just add a random workstation to there. You want to be more of a dynamic group. Or if you're just doing patching and you don't want this particular device to be rebooting with workstations, you have a special policy for servers that you just, want to abide by that. So let's get to it. So the first thing you want to go is under the device, go to the computers, and then just select any computers that you would like this to be done. So for an example, we're just going to go ahead and go onto this server right here. And then they have recently added this switch right here where you can actually click on it and then it will give you a lovely prompt saying that, basically if you go ahead and switch it to a desktop, it will take about 2 to 3 minutes for it to show across the platform. Um, Please keep in mind that if you do this, if you're switching from, a workstation to a server, it will be charged accordingly. So you will be charged for an extra server now that it's going to be switched to a server or vice versa. I'm not going to go ahead and switch it, but after you just click on that, it will just go ahead and switch it on the actual machine, and then moving forward, it will be considered as a desktop for this example. Thanks for watching. We post a new video every week to share our knowledge on CWRMM. To learn more about what we do, please visit provaltech.com. There is a link in the video description below.